This is Tamesis Club in the snow. Not many people out sailing, I can tell you. And here we have young James Malseed building a superb snowman. Doing a great job. And then come round. That's the clubhouse there. Going round, and here the boat's sailing up. So we've got the spinnakers up. Here are the leaders. Looks like Mike Stevens. That's David Vines just going about. And that's Richard Harris just going about. Racing hard here. Thrilling race. Going on the pier, coming up to the finishing line, except they're not finishing. Richard's tacked again. No one's tacked. They seem to gain by it. The more they tack, the faster they go. Do you want to be on YouTube?
Pardon?
Do you want to be on YouTube? This is Charlie Morgan and his boat Lady Anne with the Commodore, John Adams.
I've got some shots for the...
Yeah, I'm listening.
No.